Welcome back, everyone. It's been a while, but if you remember all those years that I was making those quant videos, especially while I was struggling around the $100 mark, once I had lost this level, I was totally out of quant because I had the belief it was going to head to $60. If you remember my videos, and I was getting called out for it, saying no chance it's going down there. In the end, it took 2 years for the call, or nearly 2 years for the call to reach my price prediction target. As soon as it got down there, met the targets, and it reverses and continues with the original trend, which was bullish, because if the target was $60, that is above $40. $40 being the low, $60 being a higher low, and so all setting up for bullish trajectory in the end higher than $228. This is what my TA was saying all those years ago when we first had FTX capitulate. As soon as we dumped over there, I was telling everyone there is potential for it to go down to $60. Now I have to start making YouTube updates again because we have now recovered one of the most important levels, if you remember from my previous updates all the way back then, 94 to $106, $105, $106. This was such a key level of support in the past, and when that was lost, a key level of resistance. But what has happened in this scenario is Quant, with a majority of the large caps, the older large caps, has seen a rise in price, a complete surge in price. And this has allowed Quant to actually reclaim the lost low. And whenever I see a previous support being now reclaimed, it's a sign of a trend change. So once it was support lost and now resistance, setting up for new lows below these points of 94 and 83, $84. We saw the lower low, the target being met, and then instantly shooting back up into this location. Now, with the potential that it could have been resistance, but with the continuation on the likes of XRP, on the likes of HBAR, coins that we used to do TA on, they've all seen these continued breakouts. Now, Quant is an actual RWA project, so stay tuned until the end because I will be looking at some other RWA projects that I'm considering for this upcoming, not only altcoin season that we're now in, but the RWA season. Great Quant was pumping. It's due to Bitcoin opening up that path with the road to 100K. It's now entered a consolidation period. I really do recommend going to check out my Bitcoin update from earlier today. So make sure you subscribe to the channel for more updates. Turn on that notification bell so you're aware of when they do come out. I am going to be making some more Quant videos, so let me know in the comment section below if you want to see more of that. Personally, I'm not holding Quant. It is a coin that I can potentially leverage trade. I am making the most out of these large cap moves by leverage trading them. Unfortunately, I just know the reality is that although they are first movers, they are not going to be the best gainers. So go check out that Bitcoin video because I actually show this with some proof. But with Quant, we're here today to talk about Quant. Incredible moves, reclaiming these lost levels. And so that's why I have to bring this update. We're going to look at all the potential resistances up ahead and the level that I want to see Quant really, truly reclaiming. And that is $164 as it's the 786 fib. It's the highest level where we could see a rejection. Now, any rejection on Quant, I want to see it maintain this low $94. And I do believe that will happen with this nice clean reclaim. This is our support. It doesn't even need to pull back down into that, but this is the support that has been reclaimed. And while Quant trades above this green box, and for now I don't even see it going below 127. Now if we see it turn into resistance, then we're coming back to 105, 106. But for now, my belief is this maintains a support and we're heading to 164. On the break of 164, this is targeting a new local high, this high that we put in back in October 2022. In fact, as we started coming down in November 2022, this is when I was already firing warning signs to all Quant holders. And in this period, we were actually accumulating Quant, but the warning signs were there. The moment we started losing this range over here, I was already out of Quant around this area over here. And this is where I looked at other RWA projects, because Quant is an RWA project. I was looking at some AI projects, and I really managed to not just change my life, but change a lot of people's life in the meantime while this was consolidating. Of course, now if we go back to the beginning of November and look at performance wise of majority of the market, we can officially say that large caps have been the best performers. This is just simply because Bitcoin's opening the path for everything to move. The people that made a 4-5x on Bitcoin from the bear market lows are greedy. It's human nature. They want to make further money. And so the very first coins that they go for are the dinosaur altcoins that everyone knows and trusts. So Quant being one of those, alongside XRP and HBAR and ADA. All these coins have been pumping really aggressively since the beginning of November, since the Trump win, essentially. So we believe that this is going to continue. Just might not be the greatest in terms of gains. If you're just someone looking for incredible gains, these are the first movers. Just understand that. So it could be that you rotate eventually, but at the moment I see 164 broken. I'm looking for a new local high above 230 with my first target at $345 for Quant. This could be an area where Quant actually stalls at, whether it comes down to reject this area and fall back to the green box. I need to see closes underneath this zone. If we see a close above this zone, the direct next target is 164. This could be a level of resistance, as we can see to the left. But again, guys, once it's broken, held as support, we're looking for that continuation to $345. I envision it getting up to $600 in the future, but let's take it step by step. And the first significant level of resistance target is $345. It's still not a new all-time high in terms of price. That is sitting at around $490, but this is a huge macro double bottom now. This is what we were saying all the way back in this consolidation range over here, that it's looking to target $60, and on meeting that, it would actually be considered a double bottom. And this whole chart is just literally setting up as a double bottom for new all-time highs. But let's go level by level. We can see to the left over here that $345, $350 is a key level of resistance that, once confirmed as resistance, sent Quant down to $40. So it's going to be an incredible feat getting above that point. So that is my next direct target for Quant. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell on. Now, for some other RWA projects that I'm seeing moving up very nicely since the lows, in fact, even earlier than Quant. So another large cap let's look at that's pumping very aggressively today is IOTA. Now, not a coin that I'm personally in, but just another project that's taking advantage of this Bitcoin move, the Bitcoin long-term holders, some of them taking some profits, moving into altcoins, and these are the chosen few large large caps that they've decided to go with. And just another sign that the RWA season is literally here / around the corner. Now that we're officially in altcoin season, we're going to see all caps, large, mid and low caps, started to pump. Very nice to see that we have some RWA leaders. In fact, IOTA is up currently 52% today and 83% just in the past 2 days. So absolutely incredible gains. Another RWA project that I'm currently looking at is called BKN. In fact, guys, these people are revolutionizing tokenization. You can literally tokenize anything. So go check out this project BKN. You can actually see from August it's been moving up very aggressively, 414% from bottom to current price, as high as 511%. So for people that are feeling like they're missing out on those large caps, you know how those large caps have moved 300, 400, 500%. We have actually already achieved those gains in the Discord community. So if you are looking to diversify beyond Quant, looking at some other RWA projects that are smaller mid caps, consider joining the Discord. The links are found in the description down below, and I'll be more than happy to mentor you guys on a weekly basis in there during my group live streams. Use the links down below. Catch you in the community. Let me know if you want to see more Quant videos and RWA projects like Brick and BKN.